everyone, I'm TheGeronsins, and thank you so much for joining me on the home tour today of 716 Heatherglen Circle in the beautiful guard-gated community of Belsomet in Anaheim Hills. Come on in, let's take a tour. So upon entering the residence, you'll notice you have a grand formal living room at your entrance, lots of windows that really bring a lot of light in, as well as your formal dining room with French doors to access the rear yard. And as you enter into the home, you have a hallway down to your family room and kitchen, which I'll bring you to in a moment, your staircase that takes you up to the second level, and then this great space down here, which really is a main floor bedroom, currently set up as an office, but you do have direct access to a bathroom and a closet for storage. So one of the things to note about this home is just the beautiful wood flooring throughout this home. It's really got that coastal oak color scheme to it, which lends itself so nicely with grays, beiges, whites, whatever color you love to have in your home. It's such a neutral flooring that works so well with everything. You've got this great sized family room, fireplace, media niche area, wall of windows that you can look right into the backyard and see the pool, patio area. And what's so wonderful is just open to the kitchen area. So it's just such a versatile space to be hanging out, having conversations, being able to see what's going on in the kitchen at all times. So imagine if you're cooking, your kids are out here playing a game, you have that capability of being able to be mindful of everything that's going on all at the same time. In addition to a great breakfast nook area, which is a perfect space for dining. You've got this great, generously sized kitchen with center island, 5-burner cooktop, double ovens. You've got this neat little niche area in the kitchen, perfect for setting up a computer. All the while you've got windows surrounding you to just take in the outdoors and the lush greenery and patio area. So what most people are looking for in yards, especially in California as we are headed into the summertime, is having access to a place to dine al fresco, jump in a pool for a cool splash off, hang out in the jacuzzi if it happens to be a chilly evening, and also still have a grassy lawn for pets to roam, kids to play in. And you actually are flanked by grassy lawns on both sides of this yard. And one thing to really take note of, I think you can see it in my hair, you get such a beautiful breeze that comes through here. And even on warm days such as today, it's just so refreshing to be able to be out here and just have that very calm, cool breeze that comes through you in the yard. And you'll notice complete privacy out here. And you even have a little peekaboo view of the snow-capped mountains that are still trying to hang on out there. So as you enter from the garage into the home, you'll have the capability of coming right and having your private laundry room. And one thing I do want to point out is, as you'll notice, there's an access door to the side yard, and the pool and the spa, this is a great access door to come through. So if you're wet, you want to throw your towels, your swimsuits, everything into the laundry and not walk through the house, you have full capability to be able to do that. In addition, down this hallway, you also have the bathroom that connects to the main floor bedroom. You do have dual doors with this bathroom, so it can be private to a guest if they are staying there, and then you could also open it up on this side so that if you use it as a home office or no one happens to be residing in the main floor bedroom, then it serves perfect as a powder room. So as we come back down the hallway towards the entrance of the home, I'm going to take you upstairs and show you the great layout that we have up there. So as you come up to the stairs, you'll come to a landing. There's a great linen cabinet storage at the top of the stairs, and off to your right, you have secondary bedrooms and a bathroom, which one of the secondary bedrooms could be used as a bonus room. You could use them as 3 different bedrooms. So this floor plan has versatility because of the space, how it's laid out up here. So you know you're coming into a master suite when you have double doors. So come on in. You'll notice a little bit of vault to the ceilings, and purposely opened the windows so you could see the breeze swaying with the trees. So you've got great shutters. Again, one thing to point out is just really the privacy outside this home, and especially this master. So one thing to note about this master is that there's two closets. You have this smaller closet, which could be great for coats, warmer weather things that we don't have on a regular basis, or a purse or shoe closet, because you never know, you might need one of those. And you know, fireplaces and masters, I think, are just such an intimate feature. It just really adds such a coziness to a room. So off the master suite, we have the master bathroom, which you'll find a deep soaking tub, a seamless glass door shower, dual vanity area. So this is the main closet, which, as you'll note, is quite a bit more spacious than the other one I had earlier mentioned. You've got a really good size walk-in closet here with the capability of adding a double rack to even get that much more space. Thanks so much for joining me on this tour today. As I mentioned, this is such a special property in the guard-gated community of Belsomet. It is on an intimate cul-de-sac street. So for those of you that are concerned about safety and privacy, really pay attention to the fact you not only get a guard-gated community, but you're also on a cul-de-sac street in a wonderful neighborhood in Anaheim Hills. Great schools, close to shopping. Thanks again for joining us, and hope you have a terrific day.